and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy. Ow. Oh my gosh, take two didn't work. Okay, take two. I'm Lucy and this is my channel, and if you haven't already, subscribe below for more videos of me being a complete unicorn. And if you want to watch, if you want to watch me do hair, skin, and dancing. So subscribe below and like this video if you think I am amazing. Thank you. Okay, today I am going to tell you what you should be doing with your skin to make it look fabulous. Let's get onto this train. Okay, number one. Okay, so sometimes you break out in places and you're like, why am I breaking out in these places? I'm gonna tell you why. Why did I do this? Okay, so number one is face mapping. If you want to look that up, you can, and you can. What is he doing? Okay. If you want to look that up, you can, and you can read more about it. But basically, it's just a map that tells you why you break out in certain places, and I'm going to tell you some of the places, and you can look up the rest, and it give you look up more details and stuff. The ones that I don't give you and stuff like that. So do that. Okay, so number one is your forehead. Normally for me, this is because my hair is oily and I haven't washed it, and up here on your hairline and your forehead it breaks out. But also your forehead is your digestive system, so what you're eating also shows up on your forehead. So you should check what you're eating, So you should check what you're eating and maybe cut out some certain foods that are making you break out. Second is your nose. Normally over here I get when I'm stressed, and that is blood pressure. Which, if your blood pressure is up and you're stressed and you're just anxious, and that happens a lot with me since I have anxiety, so normally when I'm really anxious it goes over here, it shows over here, and that's how I know I should take a nap, drink some tea. Okay. Number three is your cheeks. Normally this is air pollution, or it is your pillowcase, and that means you should wash your pillowcase or change it. Wash your pillowcase at least every 2 weeks, people. 2 weeks. Okay, that's what I do, and it helps a lot. Okay. Number four is your chin and your jawline. That is hormones that you can help along. You can help along. You don't want to help it along. I mean, you can try and stop it, but they are gonna show up. That's just normal. It's hormones. Sometimes you can't do anything about it. So those are the few places that I get my pimples, and pimples, zits, blemishes. I don't know what to call them. You can call them what you like. Would you excuse me? Would you excuse me? Can you? I'm trying to just stop hitting me. Okay. Are you hitting on me? Oh my gosh, this head is hitting me. Okay, now that I've done the face map, you can look up more. Like I said, I was going to tell you a few things that might help. Now I'm going to tell you a few things that might help you break out less. Okay, this is number two, and I know you don't want to hear this, but exercising helps a lot with your skin, your mental health, and your physical health. Okay, I know, and I'm not like saying that. I know, like, you feel like, okay, no, oh my gosh, I have to every time you exercise, oh my gosh, and I'm not saying that you have to like jump in and do like 40, 100, what? Let's just forget I said 400, but that you have to do like a million. Why am I keeping going the highest number? Okay, just that you don't have to do so much. Like you don't have to do heavy weight lifting or anything like that. I'm not saying that. You don't have to even go to the gym. You can just start in your room. Okay, you can just do some push-ups, do some jumping jacks, do some wall planks and just those are the things I do, and I've been doing it for a year. I do it every second day, and it's been helping a lot with my skin and just everything else, physical, mental. Yeah, it helps a lot, so you should try it out. And I'm like, you can start off small. When I first started, I only did 10 push-ups and 10 jumping jacks, and I slowly built up to 50, which I do 50 now. So you don't have to do a lot, okay? You don't have to do a lot. That's not, you don't have to, okay? But you can do some exercising, and if you don't want to do that, you can go on walks, you can jog, and you don't even have to jog that far. You can just go around your block, around your house, in your room, just around your bed or something, I don't know. But it does help a lot. I'm not saying you have to do this, so it's just a step that can help you, but you don't have to. Okay. Number 5, 3, 4. No, that's 4. Never mind, that's 4. I'm on number 3, people. Number 3, what you eat. Okay, so what you eat does affect you a lot. Okay, and I know you're like, oh my gosh, but I really love sweets and stuff, and that's, if you look behind me, you'll see there's some sweets over there, so I'm guilty of that. Yeah, I'm not saying you have to cut out sugar or you have to cut out sweets. I mean, you have to, okay, but you can cut down. Okay, so what I have cut down on in this past, I would say year, about almost a year, is caffeine. Caffeine. Just to take a moment for my vocabulary to just vocabulary. You see this dimple that just make me look adorable? I know, right? You were thinking it too. Thanks so much. That means a lot to me. Okay, so what I've been cutting out, I've cut out milk. Okay, I still eat yogurt, so I eat yogurt once a day, and that's my morning. But I have fruit with it, so it's so but I don't drink milk with anything else. Okay, no milk. I only drink yogurt. That's the only dairy that I drink. Okay, so if you want, I'm not saying you have to, but you can cut down on milk. You can if you this is what I did. If I drink milk, then I can't eat yogurt, and if I'm eating yogurt, I can't drink milk. So you can decide which one to cut down on. Okay, so if you don't want to eat yogurt and you want to drink the milk, not the yogurt. Okay, so you can just figure out a way, but it's good to cut down that. Bread, okay, gluten is the one breakout thing. Okay, you break out a lot with gluten, so you want to cut down on bread. I've cut down on bread a lot, and if it's not the only thing to eat, then I don't eat it. I hardly even go into the bread bin. It's just if it's in front of me, I'm like, oh yeah, okay. Or if we're having bread, buns for dinner, then I'm like, okay, then I'll eat it. But I don't go deliberately to the bread bin and be like, I'm gonna eat this. I look for other things like salads and noodles, because noodles are amazing. So cut down on your bread and your gluten intake. Okay, that will help your skin a lot, and will help other things as well, just physically and stuff. So do that. Okay, salads, eat salads and fruit, and those are the vegetables. Eat those, man. Just eat those, okay? What I cut down on is sugar. I know I said I eat sweets, that's sugar, but I mean sugar that you put in your tea or your coffee. That I've cut down on a lot. Okay, I don't drink sugar with my tea, or if I do have coffee, which I don't, but I don't have it, okay? I don't deliberately go and get the sugar and eat it. But if I do see sweets that I like, I do eat those, and that's a little bit of that's my only sugar intake though. So that is good. Other sides from natural sugar intakes, like they're in natural foods. But that's just natural and that's healthy. Okay, caffeine. I cut down. I just eliminated caffeine. Okay, and this helped a lot. Okay, because caffeine is bad for you. Yes, it is. But if you love coffee and you love normal tea, and that's okay. But if you do this, if you're drinking 4 cups of coffee a day, make it 3, then make it 2, then make it 1, and then drink something else. Okay, and that is important. Okay, cut down on some caffeine. Just try it. Don't have to cut down a lot. Just cut down 1 glass. That's it. 1 glass of coffee or tea or normal tea at least. I drink fruit teas and other teas that aren't black tea, which is amazing. Okay, number 4. It's number 4, right? Yeah, I think it's number 4. This is water. Drink water. Okay, water is amazing. It heals everything. It just drink water. Okay, stay hydrated through the day. What I do is when you wake up, take just a glass of water and drink it. Then in the lunchtime, not after you eat, not before you eat, drink water. Then in the afternoon, late afternoon, water. Just drink that water, okay? That will help you a lot. And these are just a few things that I do to help my skin more. I'm gonna do a video on my skincare routine and what products I use and what other things I do for my skin. This is just a little bit of things that I do for my skin that helps in the long run. But if you want, if in the short run, like in the daily, weekly, I'll show you what I do to help as well. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and I hope you just like it for him. Look at this. Look at this adorable dog. Hey Teddy, say hi. He's mad at me right now because I haven't taken him on a walk. But we love him anyway. Yes, I love you. I love you still. Yeah, he's not having any of this. Okay. Like this video and subscribe. And I'll be posting my skincare routine video in a moment. Well, okay, not a moment, but like in a bit. So you can go over to watch that one once it's uploaded. Thanks for watching, and why do I... Oh my god. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.